Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on one SQL entry question. The question is here: how many ways to get last name from the full name column using string functions? Yes, there are five ways to get the last part of the name from the full name column using string functions. So this is my table which contains full underscore name. Each name, if you observe the data, each name should consist of a space. So before space is first name and after space is last name. So I want to get last part of the name using string functions. So first function I am using write with the Charindex and len. Select full underscore name. This is my column name. So I am using write function. Write will take expression. I am taking full name and integer. It will take integer. So instead of integer, I am using len of full name subtracting Charindex after searching for the space in the full name column as last underscore name from your table name. So you can see here Ravi Kumar is the last name, Sita Reddy is the last name. Like this you will get. I am again using write function, but this time I am using Charindex with reverse function. Okay, Charindex with reverse. Select full underscore name, write full underscore name, comma. So here I am using Charindex to search for the space after reversing the full name. After reversing full name, so I am searching for the space. Okay, as last underscore name from your table. Now you can see. So you will get last name from the using write with Charindex and reverse. So first one is write with len and Charindex. Now this time I am using substring substring took three arguments. First one is expression and second one is starting position. So here I am using starting position as Charindex, which is searching for the space in the full name column. Space in the full name column. And third argument is the length. So length here I am taking len of full name. Okay, len of full name as last underscore name from your table. Okay, this is by using substring with Charindex and length. So next one. So here I am using PARSENAME function. So PARSENAME is the function which is searching for the dot symbol to extract the text as per the given number. Okay, so here I am using PARSENAME function. Select full underscore name. So I am using PARSENAME here. PARSENAME it is searching for the. So I am using replace with full name. Replace took three arguments. First one is expression, second one is substring. So what I want to here to replace space with replacing with dot symbol as last underscore name from your table name. And finally, so I want to take one. Okay, take one here. Replace. Replace and here. I'm taking first part. Now you can see. Yes. So PARSENAME will check for the dot symbol in their expression and return as per the given integer. So here I am replacing space with dot symbol. Okay. So this is the fourth method, and last one is stuff. So here I am using stuff function. So stuff will take four arguments. Stuff function will take four arguments. First one is full name, that is expression, and second one is starting position, and third one is Charindex. So here I am searching for the space in full name column. Okay, I want to replace fourth argument in the stuff is I am just using empty space. Okay, as last underscore name from table name. You can see. So this is full name, this is last part of the name. So these many methods are there to extract last part of the name from the given full column. Write, len, Charindex, reverse, substring, parse name, stuff and replace. For watching the video. Thank you very much.